You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like all-wheel drive, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.